So this is a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette, or what some people call it, the C2 Corvette. Um, this one I got at Walmart. I know in the Costco video you could see some of these Corvettes in there, which I would have gotten, but I didn't because I got this one before the Costco video. So this one was $30, and the ones in Costco were about 20. So if I waited a couple of days, I could have saved myself 10 bucks, but it is what it is. So let's just open it. Usually the ones at Walmart don't have any tape on them. So just like the ones I've had before from Walmart, these also come with the support stands or whatever they are. So now let's just take them off. So now we remove the backdrop. So this is the Corvette by itself. Pretty good looking car. Although something sad about this is that it doesn't have the split window like the ZR1 had. Shame, but it is what it is. So now let's remove the plastic strips. So now with the strips gone, let's open the doors and check what's inside. So this is the interior. The dash looks really great. One of my favorite car dashes ever. Probably hard to see it on camera, but that's what it looks like. Then you have the door. So the steering wheel does move the wheels. However, it does feel a bit fragile though. The steering wheel, that is. Because the size and how thin it is compared to how big it is. If you want to turn it, I think doing it like this is a lot better than doing it with one. So let's open up the hood. So with the hood open, now we can see the engine. A good looking engine. A lot of detail in it. Beautiful looking thing. Looks like the block itself is red. I can kind of see it, but doesn't seem like the back opens, which is fine. So now let's get it off the stand. So now with the stand gone, we can see a lot more of the bottom. So originally I said red, but it's orange. I should have known that, but it's okay. The exhaust in the silver color, transmission, the words 1965 Chevrolet Corvette 118. A lot of detail down here. You can see how the wheels turn. So now I think it's time to get it on the rotating stand. So that is a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette, or the C2, and this one is in the blue. The Corvette looks beautiful. Everything about it looks amazing. You have the sharp angles. You have the pop-up headlights. However, sadly, these ones don't. I think there might be a few that do, but you will have to pay a lot more in price compared to the 30 bucks I spent on this one, or the $20 you could have spent at Costco, because these were also there. So now let's open up all the doors. So now with all the doors open, we could see a lot more of the interior and even the engine bay. And the engine on this car looks beautiful. A lot of detail. a lot of colors and everything in it. I know some other cars which have good looking engine bays, but not a lot of detail when it comes to the color. However, this one does. And the interior itself looks pretty good. The chrome accents, the way the dash is, the wood steering wheel, it looks beautiful. Now something I'd hope for is that they make a roofless C2 Corvette, because I would like to see the interior a lot more, but we just wait until one comes out. So I think that wraps it up. Thanks for watching.